It's Emily with V Vonderland. Want a hassle-free makeup look that's perfect for traveling? All the products that I'm using are gonna fit inside this tiny pouch. Let's go. The first item that I've chosen for today is this primer. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Putty Primer. And this is great because if you're on the airplane, you know that because of the pressure, sometimes things tend to squirt out or things tend to explode, especially if they're liquid. But because this is a solid, you don't have to worry about it spilling or just exploding in your bags. And because there's a little disc here, you can kind of measure out just how much you need, and it's perfect, lightweight, easy to travel with. The next item that I'm going to use after you put on your primer is your foundation. I'm using the Iopi SPF Cushion Foundation in the shade 23 Natural Beige. I love this because it comes with a little mirror and a little cushion right here. If you use like the other liquids, like for example, if you were to use the MAC Cosmetics where it's like a liquid thing and you have to pump it, you still have to worry about blending it. But this is all compact. It's a cushion compact. It's literally designed for cushion foundation on the go application. My lips were super chapped, so I went ahead and put on this Laneige lip sleeping mask. Usually this is something that you put on your lips overnight, but this works wonders, and I usually just take this on the go just because it is so small, so cute, and it kind of reminds me of those like Vaseline lip balms, so this is a great alternative. And you can use it as a lip gloss, so it's great for traveling because it has multi-purpose uses. Now, once you put on your foundation, you can go ahead and cover up those blemishes that you have. You're on vacation, you want to take some nice pictures, so I'm going to go in with the Milk Flex Concealer in the color Golden Nude. So I went in with Golden Beige, and now I'm going in with Golden Nude. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of acne scars, so I really needed this. I don't know why, what's going on with my skin. My skin's giving me problems. And I just used the cushion that I used with the cushion foundation. Next up for our contender is this. I should have literally just made you guys guess what palette this is, because y'all already know that I'm going to use this palette, especially if I'm going out or doing something and I need the one purpose do-all be-all palette. It is this palette. I'm using the Because of You I Dance All Day V Vonderland palette. It's perfect because it's got all these different shades. I'm going to go in first with the You Move My Body, this light one here. I'm going to go in with this one right here, which is a little bit darker, and move my voice here. I'm going to do some of the pink, and then I'm going to finish it off with this brown right here. So bump, 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 bump. And then a bump for the eyeliner. So I had this, I put this everywhere as a base. I put this slightly sand color here, more like this area, just to kind of make a shape. And then I put the pink on top all over here on my eyelids, but I'm also gonna go in on the bottom here with the pink. Second to lastly, it's time to buff out the outer corners. I'm gonna go in with this color Feel here, which is like this dark chocolate brown, but with glitter. Now that you've done your eyes, you can go ahead and do the eyeliner as well as your eyebrows. So that's why I love this palette, because there's so many different browns. I can go in with And here for the eyebrows, and then this dark color here, or the black color, Because of You, for the eyeliner. Once you've finished the upper half of your face and you've poked your eyes a good amount of times, it's time to go in with the mascara. I'm using the V Vonderland Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. I love this V Vonderland mascara because if you look at my lashes, they look super nice. So it's always great. And it's, great for on the go because it's super compact. Next, we're going to do blush. I'm using the Giorgio Armani A Blush in Peach. This one's super tiny, as you can see, super cute. And it's great because it lifts your face with this color. And you don't really need to contour when you have this. I think this shade is super cute, perfect for summer, especially for traveling. I think this gives almost like a kind of like a sun-kissed sort of look, like you're enjoying yourself, you're having fun, you're blushing. So this is a great blush for those purposes. If you want to be a little extra, you can go ahead and use the palette that I was using earlier and use this pink color right here called Move My Soul here, 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 and here as a highlighter. Boom, that's a poppin' highlighter. Also, if you're traveling and say you're in the airplane while you're doing this, if you see the tray table, by all means, please sanitize that table. I've read so many horror stories of like airlines and stuff like that from flight attendants on like Reddit, and I also have a friend who's a flight attendant. You need to wipe those down. I don't want you touching your face and then doing la la, oh yeah, Emily told me I can do this in the airplane, and then get pink eye. So please make sure that you wash your hands when you're traveling and when you're touching your face. And this last step isn't really a makeup thing, it's more of like a teeth thing. I like to use this Moon pen, which is a teeth whitening pen, and I just go in like this. I do that with every single tooth. And it's great because one, it tastes like vanilla. It's not like super chemically per se, and you want a nice smile when you're on vacation. If you want an extra bright pink lip for traveling, I would highly recommend the Love in My Life lipstick here from V Wonderland Cosmetics. I'm just gonna go ahead and show a little bit what it looks like. It's like a nice pink hue if you want some extra color. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See ya!